Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Quick one here. I'm going to show you how you can make F1 car sounds with a Red Bull can. First, you want to crush your Red Bull can. And then you want to have a nice little opening, like so. And if you can, to get even more better effect, have another little opening there. Then once you've crushed your can and you have your two openings, don't fucking take that out of context. I know what you're fucking doing. Get out of the comment section. Get your fucking head out of the gutter. Anyway. Oh god, I fucking hate it's cold. Anyway. Bring it up to your mouth. And use this to act as the shifting. Hold on. There we go, ready the Red Bull finish. Anyway, ready. Should sound a bit like... Hold on. Try it for yourself. It works. That was not a filter, by the way. There is no such thing. I don't think there's such thing as a Formula One car engine filter. Try it. It really works. Just for crying out loud. Just for crying out loud. Make sure the can is empty. Fuck. 3, 2, 1. Lights out and away we go. Fucking hell. Also, be very fucking careful, because when you're dealing with sharp edges like that, they can and most definitely will cut you. And believe me, a tin can cut, say with that 5 times as fast, a tin can cut is much more painful than a paper cut. Trust me, I know. And to make the pains even worse, it's worse when you accidentally get salt and vinegar in it. Ooh. I just hate the thought of that. Anyway, if you enjoyed that, I don't know how many people enjoyed that, but on the way to hopefully get sponsored by Red Bull. If it didn't seem a bit suspicious enough that I was wearing fucking Red Bull shit for the past, I have no idea how many fucking videos. I'm quite frankly not bothered to check. Ew. Anyway, fuck this cold. Anyway, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.